Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So here I'm making some banana bread. And so we're going to add in the 3 eggs. Three eggs, 16 ounces of sour cream, six mashed bananas, spoons of cinnamon, okay, now we're going to mix in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4½ cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and we're going to turn this down. I'm going to overbeat it. So now we're going to start adding our flour. And it's 4½ cups of flour. Put this on real low because baby, that flour has a mind of its own. It's everywhere. It's getting everywhere. I'm going to turn it back up a little bit. Okay, I don't want to over mix it. I'm going to continue to mix it on my own. I made a little mess here, y'all, but I don't have the one with the tilt. Mine is the one you actually have to lower it. Yeah, see? But sometimes I be making a video and I be all out of frame. I be watching the video and looking sideways myself. I'm sorry about that. Y'all gotta bear with me. I'm learning. I don't have a lot of time to do this. So, I'm learning, y'all. It's been a long time, I know, but I have a full-time job. This is just something I like to do on the side. So I'm going to take this off of here. And try to get as much off of it as I can. 4½ cups of flour is a lot of flour, isn't it? I see the reason why it's as thick as it is because there's no liquid in this. The sour cream takes the place of the liquid. Okay, so it says to grease and flour your pans which I didn't really have. I don't have a 2. Now you can add walnut nuts to this if you want. I have the 2 pans. I greased them already. And they say and flour them. I thought I had some I thought I had baker's joy. I try to keep it because I bake quite often. But I don't have any baker's joy, so y'all bear with me for a minute. Okay, so I had to take a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon and put it in here and kind of coat it with that. So I'm doing that to each one of those. I don't have room, y'all. I don't have a setup to be a whole production yet. Do what you want to do till you do what you have to do till you can do what you want to do, right? That's what we've been told, and I'm a firm believer in that. So anyway, like I told y'all, I'm working with limited space here. So what I'm gonna do, if I can slide this over. Y'all see my pan? Yeah. Good. I'm getting a little better at fixing it so y'all can see. Because I was watching one of my videos I was trying to edit. Y'all should have seen me. I almost had a quick about that. That ain't funny. Y'all laugh at me. I'm trying. But I'm working on very limited space here, y'all. It's crazy. I'm turning it sideways. Okay. So I'm thinking the reason why this got stiff as it did, though, I think my sour cream was a little too cold. So I don't want to put this pan is larger than the pan they told me to use. They said to use. So I'm gonna put about that much. Oops, it's racing on the side. Okay, that's one of them. Here's the next one. Now I have some Pyrex baking pans. I really didn't want to use them. I'm gonna see. I think I could make this work. Cause well, no, I'm gonna have to use one because I don't want to make it too big. But they said use a 7x3, and this thing here is about 11 inches wide. So I think I could put a little more in there. But it still has to rise, you know. So I think what 2/3 of the way full will be about right. Okay, so I'm gonna share these two. I don't know what the other one gonna look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven.